what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so we are cleaning my kitchen. This was recorded a while ago. If you didn't watch my last video that I posted, I actually took down Christmas. So they're kind of out of order because you can tell my Christmas stuff is still up here. But I wanted to get that other video out so that, if people are taking down their Christmas, I can, I can do it with them. They can do it with me, whatever. You know what I mean? Anyways, so I did still want to share this because I cleaned the kitchen, sort of deep clean, not like 100% because I knew that I was going to be taking down Christmas. This was right before New Year's. So I knew I was taking down Christmas soon, but I still wanted to get some deep cleaning done because it was New Year's coming. You can't have a dirty house for New Year's. But anyways, I was cleaning here and I got a lot done that I really wanted to do. I'm still working a lot right now. Actually, I'm decorating for Valentine's, which I'll be posting that very soon. This week, actually. And anyways, so I wanted to just share this video with you guys. I hope that you get motivated to get something done in your home, clean something. I cleaned my coffee machine here, and I'm so glad that I did because it had so much gunk and crap everywhere that I just needed to do that. I cleaned my air fryer, the toaster, like that kind of stuff, the microwave, all that good stuff. So anyways, I hope that you get motivated and let's go ahead and get to it.
They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you do it like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you do it like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girl. track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright. When we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's you get moody. But don't mistake this girl for me.
Okay, so we're attempting to restore this rug. It was really bad and I was on the verge of throwing it away, but I really like it.
Oh my god.
So I told the boys I would pay them $5 each if they helped me scrub it, so.
This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I